Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's class. So today I would like to start the last topic of chapter 8, okay, introduction to trigonometry, and that is your trigonometric identities. Fine. So this is your topic trigonometric identities. इसके पहले हम पढ़ चुके हैं trigonometric ratio, trigonometric table, then trigonometric ratios for the complementary angles, and this is the last topic of trigonometric identities. So before you should understand this topic, I'll just suggest you कि आप इसके पहले के सारे जो भी topics हैं उनको बहुत अच्छे से clear कर लें, उनको एक बार और देख लें, because this topic will just sum up all the previous topics. Okay. Now, I'm beginning this. Basically, in class 10th, you have three identities. Okay, you have only three identities, and you will get all these three identities at page number 190 and 191. Okay, at page number 190 and page number 191, you will get all these three identities. Basically, your identities are sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Fine. And second identity is 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. And the last is 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. Fine. These are at the page number 190. And the last is at page number 191. So now question is, see, it's very difficult topic for those who just want to mug up these identities. ये उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा difficult है जो सिर्फ इनको mug up करना चाह रहे हैं, ठीक है, इसको सिर्फ जो है कैसे भी करके रटना चाह रहे हैं. It's better for you to understand कि ये identities आई कहाँ से, मीन्स इनका derivation अगर आपको समझ आता है तो आप बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएंगे इनके बारे में, इनका यूज कर पाएंगे, ठीक है. ये आपको मतलब कभी भी आप इसको भूलेंगे नहीं, ठीक है. So let's see how do we can derive these identities. It's very simple. Okay, simple identities these are. But how to prove? Just see. Okay. Suppose we have this triangle, right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. Now, for this triangle, what will be the Pythagoras theorem? So, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Isn't it? Okay. This is hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square if I have taken theta over here. Fine. Clear to all? Now the thing is, if I consider this is equation first, ठीक है, इसको आप इक्वेशन फर्स्ट कंसीडर करें. हमको कुछ भी नहीं करना है क्योंकि थ्री आइडेंटिटीज है, तो ये बहुत सिंपल सी बात है कि यहाँ पर थ्री आपको साइड्स दिख रही है, ठीक है. तो तीन आइडेंटिटी बनाने के लिए आपको इन तीनों से, है ना, यू शुड डिवाइड दिस इक्वेशन फर्स्ट बाय ऑल दीज थ्री साइड्स रिस्पेक्टिवली, ठीक है. आप इनको वन बाय वन करके तीनों ही साइड से इस इक्वेशन को डिवाइड कर दें, यू विल गेट ऑल द थ्री आइडेंटिटीज. हाउ? सी, suppose first of all I'm going to divide this complete equation. Okay, going to divide this complete equation first by AC square. Okay, AC square जो है इससे हम इसको डिवाइड करना चाहते हैं. So it will be AC square upon AC square. Okay, here AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square. Okay, here it will be cancelled, so 1 equal to. Now check it once. For this angle theta, AB upon AC will be what? For this angle theta, it will act as a perpendicular and it will act as a hypotenuse. This is the base. So perpendicular upon base, or we can say side opposite to the angle upon hypotenuse, is sine square theta, or sine theta square is already yours. We will put it as it is. Then BC square upon AC square, BC square upon AC square. So base upon hypotenuse is known as cos theta. So it will be cos square theta. And now you can check it that this is your first identity of trigonometry. Okay, simple thing. Once again I'm repeating. Write down the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, consider this equation first. Now divide the equation first by hypotenuse. Okay, both the sides. Now you can see hypotenuse will cancel, and over here it will convert into two ratios, that is sine and cos, and your first equation is derived. Okay, next. Now we have already divided by hypotenuse. Now if I divide this by AB square, fine. Okay, वही बात है. अभी बोला कि ये थ्री साइड से हमको रिस्पेक्टिवली जो है इसको डिवाइड करना है. So divide the equation by AB square. So it will be AC square upon AB square equals to AB square upon AB square plus BC square upon AB square. Okay, here it will be cancelled. Now AC upon AB, hypotenuse upon perpendicular, for this angle theta, it will be cosec square theta. It will be cancelled for 1. Then BC upon AB, BC upon AB, BC upon AB, ये base upon perpendicular is known as cot square theta. Okay, that's BC upon AB square. So base upon perpendicular is cot and square is already there. So it will be cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. And this is the third identity I have written. है ना, ये जो अभी हमने लिखा था उसमें ये third identity आपके पास थी. Next. Or you can write like 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. Okay. Last is, if I divide the whole equation by BC square, so it will be AC square upon BC square equals to AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC square. Fine, this will be cancelled. AC upon BC, AC upon BC, okay, hypotenuse upon base is known as sec square theta. AB, wait, okay, yeah, AB upon BC, it will be tan square theta plus 1, or you can write 1 plus, fine, you can write like 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. ठीक है, आप कैसा भी लिखना चाहें, no problem. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. This I have written in at the second place. ठीक है, तो ये आपकी second identity होगी. And in this manner you can prove all the three identities. So finally we have 3 identities regarding trigonometry in class 10th. अभी आपको यही 3 पढ़ना है. ठीक है, इनके साथ साथ आप जरूर याद रखें कि tan थीटा इक्वल्स टू होता है sin थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा. देन cot थीटा इक्वल्स टू आपके पास होता है cos थीटा अपॉन sin थीटा. ठीक है, बिकॉज फॉर प्रूविंग few of the question we will need the 3 identities and these 2 relations. Okay, so this is enough for today. After this we will start the question regarding these identity. So it's better for you to just go through these identity, practice these at least twice and thrice. Fine, so it's enough for today. Thank you so much.